Hey guys, welcome. This video will show you how to graph a linear inequality. Let's say you have this inequality as a homework problem. Graph y is less than x plus 1. So let's break this down into steps. So for the first step, we're going to just rewrite this as y equals x plus 1. This is just a temporary rewrite to make plotting points easier. Step 2, we make a table of x and y values. And we choose some values for x. Let's say -3, -1, 0, 1, and 5. And we calculate our values for y. So when x is -3, -3 plus 1 is going to give us -2. When x is -1, -1 plus 1 will give us 0. When x is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. X is 1, we get 2. And when x is 5, 5 plus 1, we get 6. Step 3, we're going to plot those points. So, put that over here. So -3 and -2 would be here. And I should put a scale on here, or just note these. -1 and 0 would be here. 0, 1 would be here. 1, 2 would be here. And just going out to 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is giving an idea what the line is going to look like. So we're almost ready for step 4, which is to draw the line. But before we do that, we need to go back and check the original expression we were given. Notice the inequality says y is less than x plus 1. It's not less than or equal to, it's just less than. So that means what makes this inequality true is what's less than the line we're going to draw. It's not anything on the line. So to show that, we're going to draw a dashed line. So just do that. And there's our line. All right, so step 5 is the last step. We have to show where this inequality is true. So we're going to have to shade one side of the line. And how do we decide which side to shade? So, well, first of all, my instinct is telling me that the y values, what's going to be less than this line, the vertical values, the y values will be below the dashed line. But let's say we want to make absolutely sure. So we're going to choose a point that's not on the line and plug that into the original inequality and see whether that point holds true. So here's a convenient point that's not on the line, 0, 0. So we will select that. Test 0, 0 in y is less than x plus 1. Now, we will plug those values in. Now remember, this is x, this is y. They happen to be the same in this case. In other cases, you may not be able to use that point, so just keep track of what's x and what's y. So we plug that in, and we get, okay, so y is 0 is less than, and then x is 0 plus 1. So 0 is less than 1, and that is true. So that means we shade that side of the line. And so that's over here. So that is showing the inequality. Y is less than x plus 1. And we can even mark our line there. Y is less than x plus 1, and we've got this nice shading here to show that all this would make that true. So That's your graph for y is less than x plus 1. If you have any questions or math examples you'd like to see featured, please let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.